Have you ever wondered what happens in the digital world when you hit send on an email? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the technology behind electronic mail. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is email, and why is it still essential in our connected world? Email, or electronic mail, is a method of exchanging digital messages from an author to one or more recipients. It's the backbone of digital communication, both personally and professionally. The system relies on three main components: your email client, which is what you use to write and read emails, the servers that store and manage mail, and the protocols that govern how the data moves. The process begins the moment you decide to send your message. Let's trace the journey of an outgoing email. When you compose an email, your email client, whether it's an application or a web interface, packages your text, attachments, and addressing information into a standard format. Once ready, your client uses the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP, to communicate with your designated outgoing mail server, initiating the transfer of the message. This server, also known as a Mail Transfer Agent or MTA, takes your email and queues it for delivery, checking the recipient's address to figure out where it needs to go next. Now that the message has left your local server, how does it find its way across the vast internet to the recipient? The sending server uses the Domain Name System, or DNS, to perform a lookup on the recipient's domain name to find the specific mail exchange or MX record. This record points to the recipient's receiving server. Sometimes, the message may be relayed through multiple MTAs before reaching the final destination server, depending on the network path and configuration. If the recipient's server is temporarily unavailable, the sending server will queue the message and make periodic delivery attempts until successful, ensuring your email eventually reaches its destination. Once the email arrives at the destination network, it's only a few more steps until it lands in the recipient's inbox. The recipient's MTA, or sometimes a dedicated mail delivery agent, MDA, accepts the message, processes it for potential spam or viruses, and sorts it into the correct user's mailbox. To access the email, the recipient's client uses protocols like Population-3, which typically downloads the message, or IMAP, which allows the email to be managed directly on the server. Finally, the email appears in the recipient's mailbox on their client, ready to be read, replied to, or archived. The world of email also involves important considerations like security and sophisticated features that enhance the user experience. Spam filters, for example, analyze incoming mail for characteristics of junk or malicious content, while technologies like SMIME and PGP can provide basic levels of encryption to protect sensitive data. Every email contains hidden headers and metadata, which detail the full route the email took, including timestamps and server information, essential for tracking and troubleshooting. So that's the full journey of an email. From composition to delivery, it's a complex, yet incredibly reliable system. The end-to-end process is a testament to sophisticated networking and communication protocols, ensuring our messages travel the digital world almost instantly. As technology evolves, email continues to adapt with improved security and new features, maintaining its status as a critical communication tool. Thanks for watching.